Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can plug in your Blue Yeti microphone into an iPhone in less than 2 minutes. The first thing that you're going to need to plug in the Blue Yeti microphone to your iPhone is this adapter, and then it's got the lightning port and the USB port. I'll put a link to it in my description. And then the only other thing that you need is your Blue Yeti microphone. Easy peasy. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is plug in the USB cable that you get with the Blue Yeti microphone into the bottom like this. And then you take the USB portion and we are going to plug it in to this dongle right in the USB port. Okay, and now all we need to do is plug it into our iPhone. And now you can have a really great sound. If this was helpful, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe for more content creation tips.